Hello guys, Isabelle here. Last week I showed you how I can make sport at home with the headbanging. That was the first session with the sport at home. Today I had another idea because I was thinking about how I can do sport, because my favorite sport is to jump on the stage and to sing in a microphone. So I have my microphone, I have my cable. What can I do with that at home as sport? I show it right now. Are you ready? Are you ready? I hope so. So, welcome in my world with my cable. And let's see it work. And try at home. For sure you will find something. Everybody has something to use at home. Woo! That's cool. So guys, microphone. Today is not a singing session, this is a sport session. And show me, just comment, tell me what you do at home, what you could also find to make sport at home. See you, bye.